going to school after the snowstorm. Look at. Ooh. Oh my goodness, see? Yeah, I want it. Okay. This is still our neighborhood, you can see.
Because the sun's on that side.
Oh my goodness. Oh, oh, oh my god. Oh, this is crazy. Careful, careful, Adesua, please. Yeah, help her open the door. You have to hold on to the door.
You got it.
Yes, don't scare.
Bye, baby. Love you.
I love you. Bye. Does this, see? I think it's not too bad though. Everywhere it's better. And I think your school, the staff so I think everything is all good now. You just have to be careful out there, especially those who drive through a bridge. You have to be careful. Alright guys, this is the last update. So this is the children's school. What it's like. It's safe. That was why we returned back. You know, thanks to volunteers, the teachers, the staff that made this work. What's that?
Yeah, showcase dance. Oh, so we should walk on the road.
Yeah, because this space
So they take that area. School,
look at you, cancel school after 2 days of what?
They might as well just cancel the whole week.
Well,
I literally said that.
Don't. Stay safe.